Hi there, Tony Bonus here with STARLINE Windows. Today I'd like to demonstrate quickly how to properly measure for a replacement screen for your casement style or awning style window that has a roto crank style operating hardware. Now all we're really grabbing is the clear opening. The clear opening is this opening here that is inside of the vent where your screen goes. So the clear opening on this window here is 19 inches by 54 inches. So all we're going to do is deduct a 1/4 inch off those dimensions, fabricate a screen that's going to be 18 3/4 by 53 3/4. We'll fabricate that screen. Now these screens are spring loaded with some tabs. I'm going to show you real quickly again how to pop that on. So I have that on another video. Compress it, heat it in, and you're done. And that's how you properly measure for a screen for your casement style window or awning style window that has roto operating hardware. For any more how-to videos, check us out on our YouTube channel. If you need to contact us, you can go to our website, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We'd love to hear from you.